In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear ABS sensor on a Ford Escape. It is located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 3/4-inch lug nuts. And remove your wheel. After removing the rear wheel, on the very top, on the top side of your knuckle, is your ABS sensor. You need to remove your connector by pushing this button in and pulling straight up. Put your plug off to the side. The ABS sensor is held in by a T25 Torx bolt. You need to remove that. Once you removed your bolt, pull straight up on your sensor. And that's your sensor. Before you reinstall your sensor, you need to clean your sensor hole and your mounting surface. You can use a bore tool like this. And a piece of sandpaper for your flat surface. Wipe your surface down. And install your sensor by pushing straight down, making sure it's seated onto the knuckle flat, and reinstall your bolt. That bolt gets torqued down to 24 foot-pounds. After you torque your bolt down, reinstall your plug. Wait for the click. Make sure that's nice and secure. Install your wheel. Install your wheel over the wheel studs and install your lug nuts. Now tighten your lug nuts in a star pattern. You want to torque your 5 lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.